So basically, the entire gist of this settings here and all. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. I am Kim, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can allow sharing of your own reels or posts or stories onto other people's stories on Instagram. Now, this tutorial is very easy, so I would like you to give me your full attention while you're at it, because it won't take long. So here I am currently on my phone, and the gist of it is that you need to make sure that your Instagram account is first set to public. So I'm here on my Instagram newsfeed, and what I need to do now is head over here on the bottom right, click on it, and then it'll send you to your Instagram profile. Afterwards, you click on the triple lines on the top right corner of your screen, and then you head over to settings and privacy so we can start changing some things. Click on settings and privacy, and then here you'll find, if you scroll down, about your account privacy. Right now, it's set to public. If you really want to share stuff about you, your stories, your reels, or your notes, if you want to allow other people to share it to their profiles or to their own posts or to their own stories, then I would suggest, or really have to ask you, to set your account to public. If you haven't shared it or like set it to public, they won't be able to share it, and you won't be able to access the other settings that will be mentioned later on in this video that will require, and it will only work when your account is public. Okay, let's say you already set your account to public, like mine. Mine is already private here. We need to head back, scroll down until we find sharing and remixes. And then here we'll find the setting called allow post and reel sharing to stories. When this is on, people can share your post and reels to their story, and then your username will always appear. So basically, the entire gist of this settings here and all these switches is that it allows people to share their stories, your notes, your posts, everything to their own content. And this won't be allowed if you hadn't set your account public. And even if you have set all of this on, you still won't be able to do anything, because everything in your account remains personal until you set it to public. So that's it. This is how easy you can allow other people to share your stories or your reels or your notes to their own stories. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.